This video is about the factor theorem. Consider the following problem. Is the binomial x minus 3 a factor of the function f of x, which is x cubed minus 3x squared minus 16x plus 48? So, meron tayo ditong binomial x minus 3 and we have to know if that is a factor of this polynomial. One way to do it is by, of course, synthetic division. So for synthetic division, let's write all the coefficients of the polynomial first. 1, negative 3, negative 16, 48. 1, negative 3, negative 16, and 48. And then our divisor is x minus 3 right here. So equate natin yan to 0 and solve for x. X minus 3 equals 0 and solving for x is equal to positive 3. Positive 3 yung ating divisor. Perform synthetic division, bring down the leading coefficient 1, and then let's multiply. 1 times 3 is positive 3. Let's add negative 3 plus 3 is 0. And then let's multiply again. 3 times 0 is 0. Let's add again. Negative 16 plus 0 is negative 16. Multiply ulit tayo. Negative 16 times 3 is negative 48. And if we add, 48 plus negative 48 is 0. And as we can see, our remainder here is 0. At dahil 0 ang ating remainder, we can say that x minus 3 right here is a factor. Kasi nga pag nagdi-divide tayo ng polynomial by its factor, dapat wala tayong butal o remainder. It means divisible siya by that factor. And just like the remainder theorem, meron din tayong tinatawag na factor theorem para hindi na tayo mag-perform ng synthetic division. Kasi again, di naman natin kailangan ng quotient na to. These are the coefficients of the quotient. Ang tinatanong lang naman dito is kung factor nga yung x minus 3. So, hindi naman natin kailangan kunin tong quotient or yung coefficients ng quotient. So, discuss natin yung factor theorem. According to factor theorem, x minus c is a factor of a polynomial f of x if f of c is equal to 0. So, somewhat related ito sa remainder theorem. Sa remainder theorem naman, kung ano yung value ng f of c, ayun yung remainder. Ngayon, kung ang value ng f of c is 0, it means wala kang remainder, factor yung x minus c. Now, let's go back to our problem. Our divisor is x minus 3. Let's equate this to 0 and solve for x. So, x is equal to positive 3. Now, let's write our function. The function is f of x. I'm going to use color yellow for the variable x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 16x plus 48. Ngayon, isubstitute natin yung value ng x, which is 3, sa bawat x variables. So, f of x and x is equal to positive 3. Is equal to x cubed, again, x is 3. Minus 3 times x is 3. And then squared, minus 16 times x, and x is 3. Plus 48. Let's simplify. 3 cubed is equal to 27. 3 squared is 9. We have 27 minus 3 times 9 is 27 again. And then negative 16 times 3 is negative 48. And then plus 48. And kita naman natin, 27 minus 27 is 0, while negative 48 plus 48 is also 0. So, the value of the function when x is 3 is 0, which means x minus 3 is a factor. Next problem. Which of the following is a factor of f of x equals 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 28x minus 16? And meron tayo ditong given na 4 binomials, 4 options. And we have no choice here but to perform trial and error. So, susubukan natin bawat choices dito kung factors ba sila ng ating polynomial. First, itry natin si option A, x minus 2. Equate to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and solve for x. X is equal to positive 2. Next, isulat natin yung ating function. F of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 28x minus 16. So, isubstitute natin yung value ng x sa ating function. We have f of x is positive 2, is equal to 3 times x, and x is equal to 2 cube minus 4 times x, and x is equal to 2 squared minus 28 times x, and then minus 16. 2 cubed is equal to 8, while 2 squared is equal to 4. So, let's proceed. 3 times 8 is 24. Minus 4 times 4 is 16. And then negative 28 times 2 is negative 56. And then minus 16. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to, i-simplify lang natin to. 24 minus 16 minus 56 minus 16 is equal to negative 64. At dahil ang nakuha natin ay hindi 0, so ibig sabihin, mayroong remainder na negative 64, which means hindi factor ang x minus 2. And that means we have to try other options as well. Try naman natin yung option B. For option B, we have x plus 2. Equate natin yan sa 0. X plus 2 equals 0, and then solve for x. X is equal to negative 2. Ito ngayon yung isa-substitute natin sa ating function. So we have f of x, and x is equal to negative 2 is equal to 3 times x, and x is negative 2 cube minus 4 times x, x is negative 2 squared minus 28 times x, negative 2, and then minus 16. Negative 2 cubed is equal to negative 8. Meanwhile, negative 2 squared is positive 4. So, let's proceed. 3 times negative 8 is equal to negative 24. And then minus 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 28 times negative 2 is positive 56. And then minus 16. Now, negative 24 minus 16 is equal to negative 40, while 56 minus 16 is equal to positive 40. Therefore, f of negative 2 is equal to negative 40 plus 40 is 0. And now we can say that x plus 2 is a factor. How about this one? Is 2x minus 1 a factor of the function p of x? P of x is 6x cubed plus 25x squared minus 24x plus 5. So, our divisor is 2x minus 1. Equate natin yan sa 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve for x. Transpose yung negative 1. We have 2x equals 1. And divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 1 half. Now, our function is p of x. Copying ko. Now, our function is p of x is equal to 6 x cubed plus 25 x squared minus 24 x plus 5. Substitute natin yung value ng ating x, which is 1/2. So, p of x and x is equal to 1/2. Is equal to 6. X and x again is 1/2. So, 1/2 cube plus 25 times x squared. And x is 1/2. And then, let's proceed. Minus 24 times x. X is, again, 1/2. And then, plus 5. Let's proceed. 6 times 1 cube is 1, while 2 cube is 8. And then, plus 25 times 1 squared is 1. Meanwhile, 2 squared is 4. And then minus 24 times 1/2 is 12. So minus 12 and then plus 5. Let's simplify further. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, we have 3/4. And then plus 25 times 1/4 is 25 over 4. And negative 12 plus 5 is equal to negative 7. Minus 7. Let's proceed. We're adding similar fractions here. Add natin yung numerators. 3 plus 25 right here is 28. 28 over 4 and then minus 7. And as we know, 28 divided by 4 is 7. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, which means 2x minus 1 is a factor.